We are at Sully Historic Site, which is right off Route 28 in Chantilly, Virginia, and we are going to need lots of volunteers this spring. We happen to have our Spring Fest coming up on the 27th of April. We also have Healthy Strides, and we have the watershed cleanups with multiple dates. Right now, what we really need are volunteers for Spring Fest and watershed cleanup. And I do know that we have plenty of openings at many of the nature centers and historic centers. With the unpaid internship program that we have, you can work at any of our sites, whether you are a naturalist, historian, or you're into architecture, because we are very big into stewardship. When you create your profile on the website, some of the things it asks you is, what are your interests? It could be crafts, it could be history, it could be education and training. And you click your interests, and then it'll help match you up. But if you have a specific location that you're interested, you can specifically choose a location on there. A lot of my volunteers here at Sully have actually been here for over 20 years, and they just love giving back to the community and being able to share their knowledge, not only with individuals here in Fairfax County, but we've had visitors from all over the world, and they like giving back to the people like that.